string is a collection of characters. But the characters could be numbers or alphabets or both, that is alphanumeric. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. And in this session, we will study how to check the string category like numeric, alphabet or alphanumeric. Python provides many functions to check the string category like isalpha, isdigit, isdecimal, isnumeric, isspace, isalnum, etc. We will study few of them to get a clear understanding. Suppose you have a string s with the value abc123. In a print statement, write s dot isalpha. Run the code. We got the output false because the value is not completely alphabetical. In the next line, call the function isdigit. Rerun the code. Again, it gave the false output because the string contains values other than digits. So, isalpha function checks whether the string contains only alphabet characters or not. In contrast, isdigit function checks whether the string has only numeric value or not. But suppose you call the function isalnum. Isalnum function checks whether the string is alphanumeric or not. Just call this function on the string s. Run the code. Well, we got the output true. Well, this is a list of few essential category functions. Please try them with different input. Apart from this function, Python provides a few formatting functions. Suppose you have a string s with value Newtum solutions. We have a center function in string which aligns the string value in the center. It accepts the parameter as an integer. Call the center function inside print on the string s and pass the parameter 80. Run the code. Here we see the output in the center and the parameter we pass is the number of characters. It tells the center function to align the string in the center of line of 80 characters. This will help you to imagine what exactly the center function has done. If we give the input 50 and run the code, this will be the output. Just like the center function, we have a rjust function. Rjust function aligns the text to the right. Call the rjust function on the variable s in the print statement and pass the parameter 90. Run the code. Here, rjust function aligned the string to the right in the line of 90 characters. Well, this was all about string function. Still, there are many string functions that you can explore. You can find all the function list in this document along with their description and sample code. As you practice more example, this function understanding will come naturally to you. You don't have to memorize them. So, we learn how to declare a string, how to apply operators and many different functions that we can use on the string. It's a good practice to execute a small project after completing the topic. If you go to this URL, you will find a project section. Here, you can find different small projects on different topics. Please go through them and try to execute project on this string. If you find any difficulty, you can always contact our support team. Our team will be happy to help you. Thanks for your time and see you in the next session.